And then, whoa, nice dress. And then, I don't know. Store. And I don't know what the rest is. They love this. The boys love this beach. It's the best at Lane.
Yeah.
A lot of beautiful women. A lot of handsome gay, if that's what you like. This is a great Greek restaurant here. Very good food, nice people. This here, very nice. Good food. Hey, this is a Thai food restaurant here. I don't know how good it is because, well, I haven't eaten there. Go far. Another collection of happy people enjoying themselves, not at their home in quarantine. Again on the right, it's darker in there, but it's kind of a pickup joint, you know? And there's some great pizza, $2.75 for a nice pizza. Then you get to look at a butt like that. A lot of beauty. These are the tuk-tuks that take you anywhere. They're really nice people. Oh, they are. They're very nice. There's two stunners sitting right there all alone. No boyfriend. And this is kind of a nice place too. And they're all just enjoying themselves. I don't think they care about, oh man. And this is where you park your moto. If you have a car, you're retarded. But not retarded. Some of them are nice. Here's the club you go into. It's a nice club. All the beauties go in there. And then this one on the right is the Backstreet Pizza. Backstreet, well, it's Backstreet Bar now, they changed. But all the Western girls go in there and dance. I don't know why it's good in there. The lights are a bit funny. Oh, on the left, the best pizza in town, man. Piccolo Italia. Best pizza in Phnom Penh. Or you can eat eggs. And the guys who hit on the drums like that, they're giving the gay massage?
No.
No, you tell me then, woman.
They sell the soup.
Oh, they sell the soup.
Yeah.
With some drums. Smells so nice. Line here. She sat beside me one time. But I sat beside her